We got shooters here. We got shooters. Good job, man. I was sick. How'd you like that? Easy,
Yo,
right?
bro, you go next.
Yo, what? Yo, can we see his shit? Can we see his paper? Yo, boy, you see how many headshots? Yo, bring it up more. What the fuck?
Yeah, I just came off the line right now. No, like, I don't have a bullet.
Damn.
See what's up with me.
Yo.
Head taps.
Chad, y'all see that, bro? Chad, y'all see that, bro? Show.
Let me see some blue.
The
Automatic straight body, you heard? Automatic hit straight body.
let's see blue.
It's ready to fire?
Head taps, though.
No.
Look at the red dot.
Nah,
And then when
five,
you
tell you, I think I
six
could
head
know.
taps?
flip that down one click, it's gonna get you on single. And then when you want to do the auto, you flip it forward. Just bring the stock up higher on your
Yo, I
shoulder.
should have been recording it on my story. Somebody should have been recording
Elbow
it
in,
for
so
me.
you're not chicken wing. Elbow, there you go. And then you good to go, boss. Go for it. Yeah, go for a headshot if you want.
You got the
Go
orange.
auto with it. Lean in more. Lean in more. Ready, go for it. Just like that.
Definitely see better.
Nah.
Bro, you was single tapping the body, too.
No, I wasn't.
When you
I
shot
was single
automatic,
tapping the head.
you shot over the shoulder.
My turn, nigga.
When you shot automatic, you look.
No,
Damn.
that was my last two shots. My last two shots, I did bad. I know.
Chad, y'all see?
Sound good.
Convy going down.
To be honest.
This nigga Convy, look how he was doing that. Look at this pussy ass nigga.
And flip the switch if you want to do auto. Forward, yeah.
Shoulder.
Aim for the head. Body, and then rip.
I'm him, nigga.
Yeah, bro.
Show my shit. Nigga, I did better than C Blue and X, nigga. Nigga, I did better than C Blue and X, nigga.
This is Chad, listen
Look at
Convy.
my shit, nigga.
Chad, look at Convy.
Right to the heart. Right to the heart. Headshot 2, nigga. Headshot 2, nigga. I did better than
Battery exhaust.
No, you did not.
No, you did not. X did the best.
Chad, who paper did the
X
best?
did the best. You did better than C Blue, though. I did better than C Blue. You did a little better.
Now you just.
Shot the mechanical thing in the back, so it doesn't move 90.
So who really can't shoot? Who really can't shoot?
Bro, you shooting over his shoulder, bro.
Bro, you
I'm
broke
shooting
the
his
system.
face. I'm shooting his face. I'm shooting his face. Hold on, zoom into that. Zoom into that.
Zoom in. You can like zoom in like.
Zoom in.
How?
Zoom in. Single taps to the head, automatic to the body. What you talk about? Yo, literally C Blues is to the right there. Look, that's to the right C Blue, mine to the left.
Nah, you did better, bro.
I'm
You
telling
got
you.
like 5 headshots.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You see me.
Look at
mine, nigga. Show him the body shot.
Konvy fake, lit that nigga up.
Exactly, nigga. I did the
Konvy lit that nigga up though. I
No,
can't
bro.
lie.
I ain't gonna lie, I went cool.
This
Face
is not
off.
X or Demon.
You see the
This
face
is X or
on my shit,
Demon.
right? You seen the face
Yeah,
on my shit.
no. Nah, it's X, Convy, X, Convy, then. Yeah.
I'll paper. He knows more.
Nigga.
Who did the
First
best?
time, nigga. First time, nigga. Yo, you was single
First
tapping,
time,
bro.
I wasn't.
You was single tapping.
You got the beginning.
Oh, so you last?
Higher up in the
last.
center.
You last?
Be last though.
Yo,
shot
record
him
this
last.
for him. Swaz, record this for
C
him.
Blue
Shot
last.
somebody by
Swaz,
mistake.
record
That
this
was
for
the
him.
last bullet though. That's one bullet.
So they got 25 in and you got 24.
Okay, so that's why they win? Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it like that for now. But good headshot.
I bet. So I'm gonna go single tap that. So say word to your mother you was
You didn't get no
single
good
tap.
headshot. Convy didn't get no good headshot.
Yeah,
Who had the closest headshot?
what are you saying? Look at his face.
Now you hit one orange. I hit orange.
Face.
You had orange. Convy didn't get no orange.
I want 25 for 25.
Convy didn't get no orange.
Convy
C Blue got an orange.
Convy
C
ain't
Blue
get.
got an
Oh,
orange.
Convy got an orange. Convy got an orange.
Oh, he did.
Chess, he ain't get no heady.
No, heady.
No, heady.
Both of y'all got heady, though.
Face off, shot his face off. Heady.
Hey, are you planning to keep it?
They said Convy took C Blue place in DO8.
Are you planning on it? Yeah? Okay, so I gotta give me a second. I gotta move your target to the other side.
Never violent, so they actually got very popular with the locals.
Hey,
Yo,
why are you showing your shit like you?
Yo, let me rock if I look crazy, you heard? Like, if I look crazy, these headsets right here making me look a little crazy. My head a little
I gotta
tight.
go down range real quick. Down range.
Look, he jumped, Chad. He's jumping and shit.
I did jump.
He's jumping. He's jumping. Why you jumping for?
One time, bro. Stop that shit.
Wait, hold on. Why you in the back, bro? Huh? Why you in the back, bro? Why you not shooting?
Why am I in the back, bro?
Why you not shooting? You got the camera in your forehead.
Why is he dick sucking my foot?
What you mean, nigga?
That's it back
Oh,
in
there we go. My fault.
What are you saying, nigga? I'm waiting for the handguns, bro. I told
But you
you
see how I did? My first time, you see how I did?
I did bad. Bro,
said-
Rat was panicking, bro. It's the truth. Rat was panicking, bro.
That's not bad. Good shit.
Rat was
I
panicking.
saluted.
You know, shit.
Shoot the AR. Go, Mario. Go right now. Go to the phone and get some ARs now.
You're gonna be right over there.
Ask him, hey. Oh, shit. You can ask him.
Damn, my fucking camera died. I got my other battery, but it's in the car.
How you charge it with an Android?
Yo, Swaz.
It's like a.
Nigga, if you have to charge, I have a portable.
All right, check me out, guys. Next
Nah,
one
it's
we're
a
gonna do
battery.
is Glock with a switch. All right. So basically, I got a Glock 17 pistol that's made automatic. So technically, it's a Glock 18. So inside of this adapter is where the pistol's sitting at right now. It lets you hold it like a small rifle. The very idea behind this is so you guys have more stability. It's our fastest gun. It only shoots auto, so we're gonna go only body with this. It's gonna go about 1,600 bullets per minute, so twice as fast as
That's
the
the
last one.
switchy fucking
Yeah,
face off.
If you hold on to the trigger for 2 seconds, which is what
That's
I'm
the-
going
that's the-
to try, it's gonna dump the entire magazine in 2 seconds. Okay.
That's the.
All right, dealer. Yeah. So
Button boy. Konvy can't handle that button.
He can't.
That's the button.
It's off. It doesn't have a safety. Remember, it's black. All right, lean into it because it's gonna have more rise. Harder on the trigger. You gotta squeeze a little harder on the trigger. Yeah.
TP, bro. I got you, bro.
I don't even think he hit a shot.
He's on it. He's on it.
Go up a little.
You're not hitting that shit.
Nah, I see him hitting it now. Yeah, that shit just go everywhere. That's why I switch.
Yeah, that shit went back quick.
Yo, that shit got mad recoil.
Yeah.
That shit got mad recoil. I ain't missed any shots. You suck a dick, see, bro. I ain't missed any shots. I didn't miss one shot. Let's see you.
Make sure it's tucked in. Nice.
Wait, how do you know, nigga?
Ready? Just pull hard on it. Okay, it's gonna have some force.
Then that should be something where now you're going.
You almost fell back.
Shit jammed that thing.
Nigga jamming the.
Me personally, I don't have any kids, so I don't.
See, switchy's jam, y'all.
I haven't
It does.
Dump it.
He said dump it.
Yo, you fall back.
Talk about it. Sometimes people come back.
Yeah, that's what nigga you was falling back, nigga.
Definitely go back a little.
Yeah.
I should have dumped it.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, you dumped it.
I should have dumped it. Dump it. Yo, Konvy, dump that shit though.
Just like so
Dump it,
balance.
Con.
Hey, put your weight on the front leg instead. So lean forward. Yeah. All right, when you're ready, man.
More compact.
Nigga, but he missed everything, bro. That nigga missed everything.
You fake missed a
You
lot.
missed everything, nigga. You're not no demon, nigga. You're a good
You hit
kid.
a lot. You hit a lot.
Show him the paper.
You hit a lot, but you fake missed a little bit.
You missed a little bit,
You
though.
missed a little bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't zoom in too much. Nigga, what do you mean, look?
Nah. You like missed the paper. Like
You missed
not
the paper,
blue,
like.
I missed the paper?
Nah, yeah, you hit the back. Nah, but it's because of recoil. I don't even blame you, nigga. That shit crazy.
That shit is different.
That shit.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, that's switchy.
All right, next up for y'all. We got ourselves a little AR action now. So we're shooting M4s, standard rifle for the military.
chat.
We joined the Army,
M4s,
Navy, Air Force,
chat.
Coast Guard, Marine Corps, went to Iraq and
You feel me?
Afghanistan.
This that Call of Duty
Running
shit,
around.
you heard? That M4 thing.
Mogadishu, you said?
I'm gonna take my time with this one.
All right, now it's 5.56, 223, man. These things go through car doors, they go through body armor, stuff like that. You get about 600 yards worth of range, but it's the slowest of the 3 guns we shoot. Scarface, move Scarface. Say hello to my little friend. That's an M16. Well, that's what the M16 turned into in the 80s. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Say hello to my little friend.
Get louder.
Legendary movie. Let me.
Yeah.
Let me
Look,
catch
safe, single, and then auto. It's just gonna be more kick than a little louder.
I'm a single to the head though.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Go.
X.
You see the dot, right? All right, remember your safety. You gotta flip it down with your thumb.
Right.
There you go, man. Go for it. Pow.
That shit is loud.
Yeah, it's loud.
It's not that loud.
What are you saying? My ears are ringing.
You're soft, bro. That shit not that loud, bro.
Oh my God. All right, G. Whenever you want, okay. Say hello to your friend, bro. Lean forward a little bit more because he's gonna got some push. It's slow.
Say hello to my left.
That sounds like I got stuck.
My ears.
By your thumb. Alright, and then just about.
How many birds that shit got?
How you like that?
Chad, look at these.
Tough.
Tough.
That shit hot. That shit is tough.
Why you touch it?
That one hit my face.
The nigga just.
One of them hot ones hit my face.
Damn, that shit hot as fuck. Damn.
One of them hot ones hit my face. You heard?
What type of poster is that, C Blue?
You said what?
What type of poster is that?
Miss.
Nah, you still got
Remember, you got a safety. You got to take
You want to go back to
You got
Yeah,
it?
right there. Down.
No, you got it. Yeah.
All the way down. Click. You hear it? Click. There you go. That's.
I ain't gonna lie. One of them shits hit
There
my
you go.
face. That shit burnt my teeth.
That shit's hot. I didn't know it was
That
hot
shit
like
burnt
that.
my teeth crazy.
I saw that shit.
Miss. He did. Oh. Where's he shooting at? He's shooting the head. He's shooting the head. You trying to get them headshots in.
Oh, I see it. Head. He's still doing the head.
Aim for the
Oh, he's
chest.
about to go crazy right now. Spray, Steve Blue.
Good.
My turn.
Sick, man.
I seen you hit the head a couple times though when you first shot. That's the smell, right?
Yeah, that was
That's
stink.
That was stink.
Watch this, y'all.
Get on that, Con.
I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, this shit heavy.
That shit got me hot.
Have it go?
Yeah, let's flip it down for single and then flip it forward for auto. Yeah, oh, keep going forward on the switch though. You hear it click. There it is now. Aim for the chest. You ready?
That shit hot as fuck.
So our military actually doesn't even use automatic.
I do, chat. Let me see what they're
This
saying,
is a
bro.
3-round
Let me
burst.
see, nigga.
You know what's crazy?
They got
Let me see you. Brick, are you dumb? Nigga.
I was aiming like right under the no.
Brick what? Brick where, nigga?
That's the funny part. I was aiming to the right.
You didn't miss no shots. Exactly. So what the fuck are they talking about, nigga? Fuck are y'all talking about?
This ain't bad angle. What other angle can we get?
Hold it.
You can't get no. It's a gun range, bro.
I
Niggas
wanna
gotta
get the pistol though, like the normal shit.
Okay, so the black targets for the pistol.
Yeah.
Oh, so now's the competition for it. Oh, chat, now's the competition for it. He putting the black shit on
The
it.
head tap. Y'all niggas
Who's
not
hitting
on
it?
that for real.
Who's hitting it?
Hey, I got a head tap. I got a couple
Pistol is
faces.
Glocky.
Yo, look how many head taps I got in the middle right there. Right under my shit.
Black target.
And y'all
I'm hitting
niggas,
that.
I be like this when I shoot the black.
We put it in the face.
Yeah, you got space for me to be able to put it there. I just put it wherever I got space, you know? That's a pistol, right? So look, you guys, the goal is to shoot the little sticker there. It's gonna change color every time you smoke it.
We're doing a pistol now, right?
Yeah, hang it. So I'll start with
I ain't gonna lie.
Tay and blue.
I shoot faces off. Like I shoot faces off. Like, I got mad bullets right here in the face. Yo, show him. Left one. Other one to the left.
We got the suppressor.
Faces off. Right here.
Say look.
Right here.
Say y'all see?
Right here. Faces
He took
off.
the.
Faces off though. Like, those, like, I'm doing faces off.
Yeah, so we got chamber to 40 cal. It's got a little suppressor attached to it. And it's got a little that's 40. So the gun just mean that this is the 22nd design by the company.
Is the laser.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi needed. Or Zoom.
Pull the trigger, nice sticker on the sticker.
That's good, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that guy. It's 0 to that.
His ass. You can help me connect to the Wi-Fi real quick?
Yeah.
What is it, huh?
That nigga actually trying to get the red.
It
Shoot,
fell
if
off
you
on
want
the
the red,
screen.
shoot a little
Yeah.
under it.
Keep going. It's gonna come out lock and load. Gas. It should pop up now.
And that shit got some kick.
What is
on
it, free?
Yeah, it's free.
Some
Is
kid.
that, it's gonna go into a page now. You just hit connect and that's it.
No, it doesn't go to a page here.
That shit sending X up though.
Not connected already.
Aim lower, you get
Probably
the bill.
is.
Yes.
I
See?
think it should. Yeah, there it is.
There you go. Good man. Got it.
That's how you do it. Right there.
X got it. Oh yeah.
That's how you do it. You
He
aim.
5 of them bitches.
Child, we back.
All right.
W blue to X.
Oh, it's the Zoom.
Tough
Zoom.
though.
Stop zooming. It's the Zoom.
He told me it was 0 already. Yo, show him. Show him the middle of my shit. Yo, you can bring my paper closer. Yo, you can bring my paper closer real quick.
Yeah.
Hold on, Blue. Don't run that,
Oh yeah, look y'all. Oh,
baby.
yeah. That's the target. You see what's up with me? You see what's up
It
with me?
don't matter. He already won. He already won, nigga. What the fuck? You already won, nigga.
up? I'm
You
trying
him,
to show you,
nigga. Unless.
All right, remember the sticker? A little bit higher
Stick
up
on top, see, Blue.
You're getting close.
Damn, this is. I ain't gonna lie, this is a little extra.
Yo, you got my phone, right? You got it?
Nah, he should.
I don't like this shit.
That's still good, though.
You got one.
You all over the place, bro.
Yeah, I don't like this.
I ain't gonna lie, he missing crazy. What's up with him?
Oh, he got 2. That's good, though. X had like 6 in the boxes.
Aim, nigga. I got aim, Swaz.
You got 3. 4. You got 4.
He's done?
4 on the dot.
Bring his paper up. Paper up. Bring his paper up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
AMC Blue.
It's a little harder.
I ain't gonna lie, I should put it on this nigga. Yo, Konvy,
I'm gonna beat that.
you gonna beat that?
Yeah, I should beat that one. I ain't gonna lie.
You gonna beat me?
I'm gonna show C Blue what's up. Nah, I don't know about you. You hit 2.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, you had too much. I already said
My son Konvy about to go cool though. My son Konvy about to go cool.
Get it?
I ain't gonna lie, Chad. It's not like a regular gun. Like it's not like holding a regular Glock. Konvy's is gonna be way easier. You're holding a different gun.
I hit like 7, 8.
Doesn't
I
got
hit like 7, 8.
You're gonna hear the sound more. It shoots a smaller bullet too, so it should be.
Konvy got an easier gun though.
Yeah.
Way easier.
No safety. So
Konvy got a way easier gun though.
Like our gun, but you have to hold that shit mad funny.
bring it out in front of you. Out in front of you. Firm. Yeah. Go for the sticker.
Now this is
When you're ready, pull the trigger all the way.
no military.
1.
At all times.
Oh, 2. Oh, low. Yeah. Low. Low.
Nigga, shut up, nigga. I'm shooting the gun, nigga.
Ah, nigga. Like, that's it. You only 4.
Damn, C-Blue's dead beat you.
Stupid ass pussy. Chad, this pussy nigga. He's not a shooter. He's not a shooter.
Lights on 2K, not green game.
Yeah.
Real life.
He not ready for that lifestyle.
Nah, X did his thing.
X, I been said it. I said X1.
Nigga, I did 4, nigga. I don't know if you think I'm a poison the first time I do it, nigga. This is the only round I lost, though. This is the only round I lost. Niggas is laughing.
I did 4. I don't know.
Look, you guys are keeping it, right? Huh? You guys are keeping it. So I'm gonna do is, you guys want me to put the stickers of what you shot on the target? Or you guys gonna take these like by hand and put it on something else?
I'm not keeping. I'm not keeping.
You're not keeping your target? You want the stickers still though?
No.
You're good? And then you do though. You're good.
I'm keeping mine.
Yeah, facts. I got you.
Look at this. Let me see. Look at this pussy ass nigga did not go, bro.
Who's pussy?
Why you ain't go?
Bro, stop putting that shit in my phone. I wasn't spending that price, nigga.
Yo, why he look so?
Wait, they done?
Why he did that right
Nah,
there?
everybody, when you do that shit,
Why
that's
he
crazy.
did that right
Everybody-
there?
Look at
Nah,
this.
not me. Tail. Look,
got
put me next to him now.
You might be like a midget.
Yo, look right here. You got all the guns. You put that shit in the front door of your crib. The warning.
That's coming right now. We about to do that right now, y'all. Y'all like this shit? Y'all want that bid?
Appreciate y'all for watching.
They crazy, bro. I'm not
I'm about to enter shit too. I ain't gonna lie.
See me, I got aim. See me, I got aim.
Hey, my man Blue, you keeping yours, boy?
I try to tell niggas I got aim.
We can go outside?
The protection you guys can leave over here.
I'm about to. Niggas just say no, chat. What do you mean?
You can leave the protection right here at the bottom. I can get it to my face. He is inside. These shits work.
I didn't hear nothing, bro.
He's gonna give you guys one more gift. He's gonna give you guys one more souvenir for you guys to take.
Yo, chat, I'm about to tuck, chat. For me? I appreciate it. 2 more guns. Now it's done. Chat, shout out to C Blue. For me, he did what he did. I know what he did for me. Appreciate it. My son, X-Pop, chat. I'm about to end my shit. I'm about to end my shit.
worth that $250?
Hell no.
For the concert?
$225.
Yo, I appreciate rap coming out.
Come on. Oh, yeah, and then
Yeah, I'm about to end right now.
Shot W fucking
Pull up.
streams, man. It's
Pull
about
up.
time Konvy hang over with the nation again, bro. This nigga be switching up. This nigga Konvy be switching up on us, bro. He SSB now, bro.
Oh, y'all niggas go
He
follow
SSB
me
now,
on
bro.
Kick.
Probably be jocking on video when he's really
Nigga,
good.
this time, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. I might do an IRL stream for y'all too. Maybe today or tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie. I need y'all niggas to go follow me. Kick, Blue Bot. Yeah.
Chat, shout out to my nigga Gasly.
about to do
W Gasly, chat.
You about to do a basketball video or stream?
Nah, I'm gonna do a video.
Yo, chat. Give him a kiss.
Chat, everybody spend the fucking W's. I love y'all niggas. I love y'all niggas. Nah, I don't see you. Want some
Gang
gay
shit, no
shit?
lame shit, don't get your face played.
I gotta end it. Wait, I gotta end it through the app. I gotta end it through the app. I forgot. Whole shit, chat. Hold on.
If you guys give me a second, I got some souvenirs for all of you. Just give me 1 second.
Alright, chat, I'm about to tuck this shit. I appreciate y'all. W fucking stream. Appreciate all y'all niggas. Appreciate the follow, chat. Can I get some W's, chat? Can I see some more W's? Let me shout out y'all niggas before y'all leave, bro. Who's in the chat? Hold on.
$15.
I ain't gonna lie, how many people 100? I was sick jealous. I want to hop on.
Hold on, let me see.
It was not worth it over there.
No service in here, bro. Oh yeah, we acting. Damn, chat. Appreciate all y'all niggas for Zeke, Rob, Beery, Womack, Double, Katie, West Took Tack, Luis Capala. I love y'all niggas, bro. Real shit, chat. W fucking stream. I'm gonna see y'all niggas soon, chat. Appreciate y'all.
One side says lock and on the other side got a design on.